Hey guys, I'm Kyle from the drafting room here at Obsessed Garage, where we craft some really cool garages for clients all over the place, all over the country. And we've come a long way from where this used to be, and now specifically with the deliverables that we're providing for people. As far as deliverables, there weren't any. Like, there was no files, there was no PDFs, nothing that you could share with anybody. And so now we've been kind of in this transition to now having a full set of deliverables that we're providing for all of our clients that get into design with us. It starts with, after you reach out, after you fill out the form and get in contact with us, we have an initial email that we send to you. And in that email, we have a kind of like a product brochure, if you will, that details out some of the main products that we include in the space. So that document has some details about why we chose Sonic MSS Plus cabinets and why we like Cree lighting and that sort of thing. And it looks good. It's a really cool looking book, so it gets you amped up for being able to put those things in your garage. And then from there, we have now a full design proposal that we send out. It has all the information about your project, your address, and just kind of general information like that, as well as the designs and the photos or renders of what we're working on and what the floor plan is going to look like, what the 3D images are, as if you were inside the space. And it kind of, really the whole point is to give you a really good idea of what it's going to look like and then what kind of products we're going to be putting in there, because we'll detail out specifically, hey, this is the cabinet array, these are the cabinets that we're thinking, this is the compressor setup, here's all the Prevost lines and where everything is going to go. And then there is a floor plan in there, but it's pretty basic, just kind of a general overview. And that leads us into the next document that we send in that first design proposal once we've been working on your design. And that is the technical drawings. We are defining down to the 16th of an inch exactly where your electrical outlet needs to be, exactly where your plumbing needs to be. Every fixture, every product that we're speccing out, we're telling you exactly where it needs to be. So we're giving you full lighting plans, full electrical layouts, full dimensional layouts for the garage and how it relates to the lift and the cabinets and the pressure washer and all of that stuff. We have a full diagram for the pressure washer now, which is really cool. So I'm really excited about that and excited for you to be able to get that and see it and print it out to hand it to your general contractor if you want to. We're going to go through multiple iterations of what the design looks like to really get it to where it's completely dialed in and exactly what you want, your vision for the garage, combined with our vision, because that's why you're here, is to get that insight from us of how we need to lay things out and what products to use. Then we end up with a finalized design that, hey, we've settled on this is perfect, and that becomes your final design proposal, final technical drawings. That's what your contractors and electricians and plumbers can use for any kind of installation, or you yourself if you're going to DIY it. What we're building out now is another document to kind of just finalize everything in terms of, hey, we've kind of created this design, we've created this story, around your project that will more or less just be a photo book. So it'll be, a really nice cover image with, a nice render of the garage, whatever the marquee, angle is or the shot. And then inside that, we'll have drawings of the garage, really nice photos of, an actual physical drawing if that was included or if we needed that. And then other, just marquee renders and stuff like that, of the space to really help you kind of dream about what it's going to look like. And the basics of that document is to just be images, just something to really help you, see the space and really dream about, what it's going to be. So that's where we're at, and that's what you can expect in terms of deliverables from us. Thanks a lot for joining me here in the drafting room, and can't wait to work with you.